Hi guys, this is Ujjwala. Welcome to my channel You Explore. Hope you all are doing well. I am here with another video. Nainital district is famous for the country's oldest national park, Jim Corbett. It is 64 kilometers from Nainital city. On the way, we are going to visit Botanical Garden, Khurpatal, Jim Corbett Museum and Corbett Waterfalls too. Are you ready guys? Enjoy the beautiful journey with me. First, we have visited Botanical Garden, which is just 5 kilometers from Nainital. Plant lovers must visit this place and enjoy the beauty of this garden. Hi guys, I hope you must have enjoyed this pretty lake Khurpatal. We have seen Khurpatal lake from above. According to me, it is the best point for nature lovers and photographers. Local public said this lake changes its color seasonally. I can say nature at its best is the right way to describe. Now let's move on. After traveling 24 kilometers from Khurpatal, we visited Corbett Museum. It is an heritage bungalow of environment activist and hunter Edward James Jim Corbett. You can have a glimpse of history into the wild world of Jim Corbett with his house, furniture, guns and lots of pictures that tells the real story. You should spend 10 to 20 minutes to know about his life and activities. We are on the way to Ramnagar. Let us visit Corbett Waterfalls. Anyone can get closer to nature, birds and serenity. We have to walk nearly 1 kilometer from parking area to reach waterfall. Sound of the waterfall makes perfect melody with chirping of the birds. Waterfall is not very huge, but the nature beauty around the place has to be enjoyed and appreciated. Let's move on. From here, Ramnagar is around 30 kilometers. We reached our hotel 4 o'clock in the evening. After taking some rest, in the evening we visited Grand Temple of Goddess Girija Mata, which is situated on small hill on the bank of Kosi river. Guys, let's finish today's journey here. Now we'll meet tomorrow morning. Good morning guys, let's start for the day. Today we are going to explore Corbett National Park. Are you ready? Enjoy the pleasant climate and safari with me. Since it is rained till late last night, cool breeze is blowing. Enjoy the pleasant climate and safari with me. Park is divided into 5 tourist zones: Dikala, Bijrani, Jirna, Dhela and Durga Devi. Among these, the best zone is Dikala. Here we are at the entry gate to park. Checking of the IDs going on. Meanwhile, I purchased hat and took binocular. Guys, it feels great here. We are going to spend 4 hours in the forest. I am so much excited. Let's go. We are out of the gate. Guys, I enjoyed a lot. It is a memorable day for me. We ended our tour with lots of fun and memories. Guys, I am sure you must have enjoyed safari with me. I will be back with more videos. Thanks for giving your precious time. See you soon. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your travel buddies and leave a comment letting me know what you thought. Do subscribe, you explore.